I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your Samsung S24 FE in scene. Clean the lens and remove the case so you can approach the subject. Dust blurs macro detail. Open camera and pick macro or use 3x10x zoom. Enable Pro mode if you want manual control, because exposure and focus matter up close. Once done, stabilize the phone on a tripod or a steady surface and set a 2-3 second timer. This reduces shake so tiny textures read sharp. Now compose and control focus precisely. Position the subject off-center to keep edges from being cut off. Negative space helps when cropping later. Tap the screen to set focus, then lock AF/AE. If focus hunts, switch to manual focus and nudge until details snap. Lighting decides texture. Use soft side lighting or an LED ring, and diffuse harsh light with a white card or tracing paper, because even angled illumination reveals depth without hot. Finish by capturing a series of shots and checking them immediately. Take multiple frames while shifting the phone 1 mm at a time and vary exposure slightly, because tiny changes save the best frame. Once you review at full zoom, keep the sharpest image and note the focus, distance, and lighting. That makes repeatable success easier. If your photos are still soft, move slightly farther, add more diffused light, or engage manual focus. These fixes usually eliminate blur and make details pop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.